Hello, you're welcome to my channel. If you want to know how you can make a realistic knotless braided wig, all you have to do is watch this video to the end, okay? This particular clip, I'm just showing how the braids look like after I'm done making it. So this is how it looks. If you want to know how I did this, watch this video to the end, okay? So I made this for a client. To order for this braid, you can chat me up with my WhatsApp number in the description box. Welcome to my workstation. So I started by putting my mesh cap on my dummy head. And I'm going to secure the mesh cap, okay? Because you won't want your cap to fall off when you are braiding, so you have to secure it with a pin, a T-pin or any pin at all. Office pin, you can use office pin. Lest I forget, please, before you watch this video to the end, please click the red subscribe button, okay? Like and share. After watching this video, drop a comment how you feel, okay? If you have a question concerning this video, please drop a comment in the comment section, okay? I reply to all comments. And if you want to get one of my braided wigs, knotless, full lace braided wigs, you have to contact me on WhatsApp, okay? So back to the video. As you can see, I started by removing the attachment I'm going to use. I'm actually making this for a client, so I decided to shoot a video on how I made this, or on how I make my knotless braided wig. Please, this video is not going to be a beginner friendly video because I don't want the video to be very long. It's not going to be a beginner friendly, okay? But I just hope that after watching this video to the end, you are going to grab something, okay? So keep watching. If you are a beginner, if this is your first time of making a wig, you are going to start by putting attachment first. So you're going to braid on this attachment you are putting on the net. Keep watching so you understand what I mean, because I'm going to try my best to make this video detailed, but it's not going to be a beginner friendly. So I'm going to start braiding on the ones I've already put. So this is how you are going to, I'm not going to show how I put the attachment on all the whole hair, but with this little one I've showed you guys, this is how you are going to do it, and you work your way upwards. Remember to leave a space where you are going to put your hair, the hair you are going to braid on, okay, where you are going to fix your lace, sorry. Okay, unless you don't want to put a lace, okay, unless you don't want to use a lace, then you can braid all the whole hair. But if you are going to put a lace, if you want the hair to look realistic, you have to use a lace. So in this particular clip, I'm just showing how it looks like after I'm done braiding the ones I've put. So in this part, I'm done making the back side, so I've entered the lace side. So I'm braiding my lace now. So I started by cutting out the hair that I'm going to braid. Look closely so you see what I'm doing. I already told you this is not going to be a beginner friendly. but I'm going to make a beginner friendly video. I'll bring out my time to make a beginner friendly video, but just know that a beginner friendly video is going to be long. Like, the video is going to be long, and the reason why I didn't make this a beginner friendly, because I don't want the video to be long. I just want to give a few insights of how I make my knotless braided wig. Please subscribe to my channel, okay, so that when I'm going to post the beginner friendly video, you get notified and watch, okay? So please subscribe and please like this video, okay? All these things is free of charge. It's not going to cost you anything by liking and subscribing. Please subscribe, please. So this particular clip, this is how the front side looks like. So I'm just going to finish up, braid the remaining and trim it and put it inside hot water, and my braided wig is ready. So here is the after look. As you can see, I styled it. You can style my braided wig in any way you want. You can style it. You can see how realistic the braid looks. Okay, can you believe it's a wig? This is for a client, so I can't cut off the excess lace. All you have to do is cut off the excess lace and wear it. It's very easy to wear. You can use glue if you want, but it's optional. Using a glue is optional, okay? So see you in my next video. Bye.